So what does it take to be a great barber? Being a great barber takes a lot of work. Like anything in life, it's not easy. You actually got to put in the time, the effort, the grind, the reps into cutting hair. It ain't easy, I'll tell you that. I started my career about 18 years ago, and cutting just in high school was just trying to get my reps up, cutting as many people as I can, because the advice I give you, the more people you cut, the more you're gonna learn. It's all trial and error. You really gotta fall in love with just the art and passion of barbering itself. It's more than making money, because I've always realized the money comes, but when you actually educate yourself and you have that mentality of never stop learning, you will get there and you will achieve big goals. It's really about trusting the process. What is your goal? Where do you see yourself in 5, 10 years from now? This isn't overnight success, which a lot of barbers in this industry think. I've seen a lot of young bucks and newcomers getting in the industry thinking that they could get fame and clout and all these things that they want. That's not what it is exactly. It's actually the craftsmanship and the time and effort that you put into your work of art. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, but at the end of the day, I always have that mindset where I'm always gonna love what I do, because if I don't love what I do, I'd rather be doing something else. I made a lot of mistakes, and that's fine. I learned from it. What I realized is that failure is part of the success. It was all trial and error along the way. Being a barber is not hard, but being a good barber can take years to achieve a profitable working routine. Like with anything in life, it takes hard work, it takes research, and it takes a strong mind to stay focused and diligent. In this career, barbers make as much money as they want to make. Steps on becoming a good barber. Building relationships, therefore having trust that you will perform and execute, is very important. Having the right tools that fit you as a barber. The investment you put into your tools will help create a quality haircuts. Iron sharpens iron. Knowing how to market your haircuts. These days with social media platforms, it helps to create buzz and a visual platform for people to look how talented you are as a barber. And that's what made me for who I am today, as a master barber.